guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So if you guys saw in the last video, I got my mirror literally ripped off from the car wash, so I actually went ahead and ordered new ones. But these are the actual mirrors that are painted this time instead of a cap. It's an actual mirror that's painted, so there's no cap or anything. It has the clips and everything like that, so I actually just go right into it. I don't have to get the mirror cap and then put a cover on top. This is the actual mirror cap, just painted gloss black. So that's a lot better than the last one. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, got the new side mirrors, but this time they're not just caps. They're the actual, they're not just like a cover that goes over the cap. It's an actual cap that's painted. So let's go ahead and open this up so I can see. So the other one is fine, but I'm just gonna take that one off too because I have painted mirror caps instead of just like covers that go over the caps. So it's gonna be better. Get this open. See how they're looking. Okay, so this is this side. There it is. Has the clips already. It's literally the actual mirror cap that is painted. So let's go ahead and install this. This is the mess I have going on in here. Disclaimer, for this mirror cap, you have to remove this clip because my cap doesn't have a spot for that, so you can just actually use your hand and just wiggle it and peel it right off, and this will come off, and these all will clip into the original mirror. Because I put this on, I was like, wait, why is this not working? Because this was hitting the back of the mirror and there was no slot for it to go into, so you actually just cut that off and you're good to go. So you have five other clips that will hold it in. Alright, we're back in business. Mirror cap on. Alright, so I just took it out. Actually, the reason why it wasn't fitting is because this was stuck in there from the last mirror. So I just pulled that out, so now it will actually clip in and fit all the way. So let's go ahead and retry that. Okay, so there we go. Now it's all, and this thing is how a mirror is supposed to be. So that is it right there. New mirror, actual mirror cap, clipped right in. Looks awesome, looks great. It's a little dirty, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and get the other side off. Fits awesome right here. Super easy, like I said. And the other one, as you can see, is not the cap. It is just a cover that was put on top. Cover on top. See, it has like a little bit of sticks out a little bit there on top. And there she is on this side. Check it out. It's great. It's not gonna come off now. It's not sticked on with double-sided stick tape. Actual mirror cap clipped in. And there you guys go. That's how it looks. So, like I said, things happen. Something in the world, I was able to just order it back and get a new one. So that is it for today, guys. If you have any questions, leave a like, comment down below. If you're wondering what I've done to the truck so far, I have a link in the description of every mod I've done to the truck, and I can get back with you if you have any questions. Other than that, guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.